Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Maki Coaster again, and today I'm cosplaying Sensei from No Longer Allowed in Another World. So if you're not watching No Longer Allowed in Another World, if you're not watching Sensei yet from No Longer Allowed in Another World, I suggest you watch the anime. So I highly recommend it. Para siya si Tatay. May siyang pakamatay. Tapos basta spoiler alert na lang. So ayun, panoorin na lang si Sensei. So I hope I did a little justice sa cosplay ni Sensei. What can you say? Okay lang naman ba yung cosplay ko? So today we're going to react to cosplay videos of cosplayers, of course. So ayun, we're going to use TikTok. Parang tanga. We're going to react to cosplay videos of cosplayers in TikTok. So let's proceed with the video.
Cosplays from Loot series is hard. I was cosplaying Edmund from New Carnival, which if you don't know is an R18 yaoi game, and he unfortunately...
Alam mo, may instance na nag-cosplay ako ng Corazon from, One Piece. Tapos sa nangyari, napagkamalan ako ng ibang character. Sabi ako kasi si Bob Marley, hindi siya binabash kasi Bob Marley. Pero ang layo naman ni Corazon kay Bob Marley. Ang weird, diba? Sinigaw pa sa akin ng mga tao dun sa mall. Bob Marley! Huh? Parang ang layo kay Bob Marley. Corazon, Bob Marley. Nga mga move on.
Fortunately, looks really similar to Hayato from Genshin Impact. So, every now and
then... So, I kinda understand that. Kasi, diba? Ang layo.
Then I would get someone excitedly coming up to me and going, "Oh my god, are you cosplaying Hayato?" I'd have to shamefully reply, "No, sorry, I'm Edmund from New Carnival, and I have to go home." With the fact that I just told somebody that I'm a gooner. Wearing cosplays for...
Start watching anime, but it seems really overwhelming. I don't know where to start. Okay, then I'll give you some suggestions. If you love Disney classics, then I highly recommend Studio Ghibli.
Yes, that's a good first anime to watch, Studio Ghibli.
Okay, that's good. Well, I also love Marvel and DC.
My Hero Academia.
My Hero Academia.
Interesting.
Pwede namang One Punch Man. Heroes, One Punch Man.
Then My Hero Academia might be a good choice for you then. Really? Well, I like Pirates of the Caribbean. Do you think I should try out One Piece? Although One Piece looks like a pirate anime from the outside, it's also for people who despise the government, who want to take down the corrupt elite who cause all of the pain in their lives and the broken system.
Dami issue ng One Piece. Charot lang. Pero the best. Hindi naman. Bahala.
That they've endured.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, what about JoJo's Bizarre Adventure? I've seen that all over the internet. JoJo's Bizarre Adventure is a great choice, but just a fair warning: watching it may give you the urge to kiss other men. Whoa! Really?
I mean, it's true. It's true.
No!
What are those books? Oh, that's manga. Most anime are based off of them.
No! Don't start with Berserk. I highly suggest no. No. I found it. No. The trauma.
Sure.
Trauma, no.
No. No? No.
No!
Jerk. No. Put it down. You're not ready. Not ready.
You're not ready for it, babe. I highly suggest no. Babes, you're not ready for it.
Not the first page. Not the first page.
Hey, I want to start watching anime.
Traumatizing. Totoo naman nakakaloka yung Berserk. But it's a good anime. Maganda siya. Kaya, it's very graphic. So, I highly suggest, word of the day ko, I highly suggest, I suggest not to watch it. Kung bago ka sa anime, no. No Berserk, no. No, stay away. Sino ka? Sino yan? Hanma ba yan? Ay, ba yan? Mikey! Gusto ko i-cosplay si Baji-san, pero yung nerd version. Tapos gusto ko i-cosplay si Fuyu kasi may wig ako nun. Pero kasi yung top part, I used that wig for Sang-woo. Kailang yun, hindi kasi siya masyadong blood. So I'm thinking na baka hindi ko siya gamitin pang Fuyu or baka i-bleach ko siya para maging lighter siya. Tapos gusto ko din i-cosplay si Ran, yung Bonten version. Ang dami kong gusto i-cosplay. Nakakainis. Ang gahas mo i-cosplayer. Maghanap na ka ewan nga hobby. Wala akong cosplay. Charot.
Of course I have a wig headache. I'm a cosplayer. Of course my feet hurt.
Nung kinosplay ko si Shinobu, ang ginawa ko, kasi medyo makapal hindi naman makapal, mahaba yung buhok ko nung nag-cosplay ako kay Shinobu. Kaya nag-double, ang tawag doon? Nalimutan ko na. Basta, nag-double, hairnet. Yun, nag-double hairnet ako. Ang sakit sa ulo, potek. Parang nagbubiyahe pa lang kami papuntang MOA. Sakit na ng ulo ko, mga 15 minutes. Grabe talaga, hindi ko na kayang mag-isip kasi ang sakit ng ulo ko dun sa hairnet. Grabe, parang talagang tinanggal ko siya, kaya ang sakit niya sa ulo.
I'm a cosplayer. Of course my prop didn't make it through security. I'm a cosplayer. Of course my dress keeps riding up. I'm a cosplayer. Of course I can't breathe in this costume.
Wala pa naman akong mga naging cosplay na hindi ako makahinga sa costume. Kasi normally, hindi lang ako makahinga pag nakaka-blinder ako. Since I mostly cosplay mga male charas, naka-binder talaga ako. Sorry, nagugutom ako. Pero wala pa naman akong cosplay na nahirapan ako mga.
Cosplayer. Of course my contact lenses are dry. Cosplayer. Of course.
Para hindi mag-dry yung contact lenses, always bring solution. Lagyan nyo lang sa maliit na bottle para hindi mag-dry yung contact lenses. Kailangan nyo kasi mag-apply hindi ko alam kung ilang minutes. Basta kailangan nyo mag-apply ng solution sa mata nyo. Or kaya, mga ganun. Ay po. Sorry. Sige, pagkain ko kay Melos. Ayun si Melos. Si Melos Loki-san. Tumalasig lang niya. So, I highly suggest magdala kayo lagi ng solution. Gulo, diba? Ng solution or eye drops para hindi matuyot yung contact lenses sa mata.
You don't have safety shorts. You said you were going to bring safety shorts this time.
Oh yeah, always bring safety shorts. Hindi ka makataan. At saka for safety reasons, madaming creeper sa mga cosplay event. Parang last time ata meron, hindi ko alam basta merong previous event na na-attendan ako, pero hindi ko alam na mayroong ganung issue kasi bulag ako pero nakita ko lang sa cos community na kina-complain nila yung parang siyang photographer. Hindi, photographer talaga siya. Tapos siya creeper siya, inappropriate photos. So I highly suggest lagi kayong mag-wear ng safety shorts.
Angel! This is not fun! I'm a cosplayer. Of course I have a wig headache. I'm a cosplayer. Of course my feet hurt.
Hindi pa sumakit yung pa ako sa cosplay since I don't wear heels. Isa sa mga cons ng pagka-cosplay ng may charas. Ang ganda naman ng contact lens niya.
Here right in front of you. This is where you wanna be.
Suggestion sa mga new cosplayers at saka sa mga old-timer cosplayers. Old-timer? Ang sakit! Patagal na kasi ako nag-cosplay, parang mga 10 years or more. Hindi ko sasabihin ko ilan kasi malaman yung edad ko. So, for what I can advise you is don't let other people's comments get to you. So, since nasa cosplay convention ka and you're cosplaying the character you want, let them talk. Hayaan mo silang magsalita. Hindi ka naman nandoon sa cosplay event para sa mga taong nagko-cosplay doon or para sa mga taong gusto kang i-view or para kanino man. Nandun ka sa cosplay event para sa sarili mo kasi gusto mo yung character na cosplay mo. Gusto mo maging part ng community, gusto mo ng cosplay yung tsara na gusto mo, or basta gusto mo ma-emulate lahat, ganyan. So, don't let other people's comments and opinions get to you. I highly suggest that. Kasi kung ilalet mo silang i-judge ka, maloka ka, girl. Hayaan mo sila. So, hindi naman para sa kanila kung bakit ka nag-cosplay, di ba para sa sarili mo. So, hayaan mo sila. Hindi mo sila magsalita. Ako wala akong pake. I never let their opinions matter to me. Kasi wala akong pakialam. At saka wala akong pake kung i-follow mo ko sa FB, sa Insta, sa TikTok, whatever. I don't care kung i-follow mo ko or not. I'm cosplaying for my own satisfaction and for my own satisfaction, and because I wanted to emulate the character because I love the character and the anime. I'm not there for you. So, it's for myself. So, I suggest, hayaan mo sila. At saka, pagka may nagko-comment ng gano'n na of yourself, delete their comments. Or kaya, report mo sila. Yan lang. Yan ang masasabi ko sa'yo. Kasi sa ngayon, sa yung cosplay community ngayon, parang siyang beauty pageant na. So, sino yung pinakamaganda, sino yung ipa-follow, sasabihan na ang ganda mo, i-compare ka sa iba ko. So, ang mas maganda niyan, I highly suggest na wag mo na silang pansinin. Just cosplay whatever character you want because you're cosplaying for yourself, not for other people.
It's everything you ever want. It's everything you ever need. And it's here right in front of you. This is where you wanna be.
Block them. Block them.
Hindi talaga kayo makulit sa bahay.
Ako lang ba, pagka nasa jeep ako, pagka nakaupo ako sa harapan, yung sa tabi ng driver, di ba may salamin doon? Pagka nakaupo ako, parang hindi ko maiwasan na papatingin. Pagka nakaupo sa salamin, tapos nagpapakita ka. Parang tangi. Ako ewan, parang nagpapakita ko na sa gilid, sa side mirror. Tapos parang feeling mo ang ganda-ganda. Tapos, may background music. Ting, 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 ting. Parang tanga. Ewan ko. Eng lang ako siguro.
Panay-panay na naman ang pagkatugyo. Ninyo dyan, Dorinel. Hindi talaga kayo
Actually, si Hirotaka, nag-jeep.
dito sa bahay. Pagkatugyo talaga kayo sa mga liblib. Panay-panay.
Alam mo, tawag dito, one time, nung nag-cosplay ako ng Shinso, sa MOA kasing event, tapos sobrang init. Alam mo nangyari? Tumirik yung taxi namin sa gitna ng highway. Nandun kami, papunta na kami MOA. Kamusta ka na? Sa Baclaran kami. Tapos tumirik siya sa gitna yung taxi namin. Kaya ang ginawa namin, nag-jeep kami na natakaw. Nag-jeep kami. Habang nakakashin sa cosplay ako. First time ko yon. Tapos nahihiya talaga ako. Pero buti na lang, wala namang tumingin sa akin. Keber-keber sila. So, yun nga, next time, kung gusto kong gawin, mag-cosplay naman ako. Tapos, kasaya ko ng MRT or LRT papuntang event. Pero hindi ko pa siya nagawa kasi sobrang mahihain ako. Ayoko nakikita ng tao. Kaya pagka tawag dito, kaya pagka pumunta kami event, talagang either papatawag ko yung papalabasin ko yung ate ko, magpapatawag ako ng taxi para sumakay kami, tapos lalabas na ako pag nandiyan na yung taxi. Nahihiya kasi ako, talagang sobrang mahihain ako, kaya ayun. Sana magawa ko yun. Gusto ko talaga mag-cosplay ng ghetto, tapos mag-MRT kami. Ang lakas na loob niya.
Ay na naman ang pagkatugyo. Tinyo dyan, Dorinel.
Oh, weird.
Let's keep this between you and me. I don't think I can ask you to trust me on this one, bro. I'm gonna be honest. So, I have a Haikyuu shoot tomorrow, and I am cosplaying Nishinoya.
Gita ko. Alam mo, hindi pa ako nakapag, shoot. I did once. Nag-hire ako ng photographer. Tapos, nag-cosplay akong Yuta. Nagpa-photoshoot ako sa Mega. It's my first time. Hindi ako marunong mag-pose. Tinuturuan ako ng cameraman ng photographer na kung paano yung pose na pwede ko Yuta. Alam, ang syungay ko, feeling ko, ang galing-galing ko mag-pose. Pero pagdating ng pictures, like, why do I look like that? I look stupid. Mga ganun.
The wig we're starting off with is from Epic Cosplay Keto Layered Black. As always, I gave the wig a little trauma, a little texture, doused it in hairspray. Before we get started on the actual wig though, I'm gonna...
Itong wig ni Sensei, napaka-perfect ng texture niya. Kasi dumating ng ganyan yan, kulot-kulot. Pero mahaba pa siya. Parang hanggang dito. Kaya, ayan, min-order ko weekend na charot, ginupit-kapit ko siya.
Prep the blonde bits. I'm cutting some little pieces off and smearing some glue on there and hoping for the best and letting it dry. I don't even know how many I need.
Hindi ako marunong yan. Ang ginawa ko dati nung kayuta, glue din, Elmer's glue, whatever glue. Pero, kumabit siya, pero ang tanga. Sorry for the word. Ang pangit ng tingnan. Kaya, wala. Pero okay lang naman. Nag-work din naman yung wig ni Yuta.
Brushing out the trauma I caused on the wig. And here, I didn't really know where to start. I lost my mojo, brothers. I just kind of chopped where I knew there shouldn't be hair, Like, the wig was already so long, so I just cut where I felt like it was too long. And then after an hour of, hacking at the wig, my mojo came back. And I was like, okay, I should style this wig a little bit more systematically. So I went layer by layer, styling and trimming to the length I wanted the hair to be. And I just kind of started using gel. I don't know, man. All I knew was that the hair kind of tapers like Hisoka's. I mean, what? So I just made sure that the hair was going upwards. And at a certain point, I was like, wow, it's actually shaping to what I wanted. I'm a genius. Why was I ever doubting myself? Okay, now we're gonna do the hair transplant. Remember those blonde bits I glued earlier? Well, now I'm hot gluing them to the front of the hairline and just hoping for the best. With a little bit of styling magic and hiding some parts, it's finished. At this point, it was like 3 a.m. and I'm like, I have to go to sleep. I have a shoot the next day. This is what it looks like with everything on. Let's go. What do you think? We rented out a volleyball court for this shoot and...
I want... Please be my friend. Tas mag-cosplay tayo, please. I don't have friends. I don't have cosplay friends. Kasi yung mga cosplayer friends, yung mga friends ko, hindi sila cosplayers. So, I need cosplayer friends. Please.
It was fun, okay? Here's one of the photos I got back. Oh my god.
Nainggit ako. Gusto ko din ng cosplayer friends. Please, add me yan sa status. Maging cosplayer friends tayo. Mag-cosplay tayo. Nainggit ako.
For the first time, for Frieren 3.
Pag gusto niyo ng mga tutorial sa mga wigs, I highly suggest you watch her videos on TikTok. I don't know if she also has a Insta or YouTube. You can watch her TikToks for tutorials on wigs, on how to style wigs. Magaling siyang
First, I started off by cutting all of the hair from the base. I tied them first so I could use them as wets later on. Then I glued...
Ako nakapag-cosplay ng naka-pigtails. Pero nakapag-cosplay na ako ng mahaba yung hair. I cosplayed Gege before from si Lian. So, na-murder ko yung wig niya. Nakakalungkot. Pero, bilababas ko na siya ngayon. Sana magdetanggal siya.
put it all down, so it could be a hard-shell cat if what to call it comes out. After the glue dried, I hot glued on quilt batting onto the base. I didn't record this, but I also drew a line to indicate where the hair parts. And here I'm using my heat gun to melt the fibers down, so it stays in place. And here's what I have for now. 3-part to suit. Making a parted pigtail wig.
Meron pa siya mga parts ng tutorial niya. I highly suggest you watch her videos para sa more in-depth or sa iba pang tutorials niya. May yan. Ang tawag to, parts. I highly suggest you go with her channel to watch tutorials on wigs. Guys, lahat ng mga videos and cosplay videos, tutorials na pinanood natin or we reacted to on TikTok. So, I highly suggest to check them out. I'm going to also link all of their TikTok profiles, TikTok channel, kasi mga TikToks nila in this video. So, thank you guys again for watching and see you. Please don't forget to like the videos, click subscribe and share whatever, comment, subscribe. Sige. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again on the next video. Bye bye.